Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to join Urban Company as a beautician. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To join Urban Company as a beautician, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Urban Company app. Make sure you have downloaded the app and downloaded the latest version of the app, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply create your profile. Provide necessary details such as your name, contact information and service category. The next is to complete training and certifications. Upon registering, you'll undergo training to become a Salon Classic partner. This training equips you with the skills needed to deliver exceptional beauty services. The next is to start earning. As a beautician, you can provide various services including facials, waxing, manicure, procedures and hairstyling. Manage your own schedule and choose the services you wish to offer. Then next is to enjoy your partner benefits, review insurance benefits worth up to 3 lakh, and then get safety kits to ensure secure service delivery, and you'll have financial supports by accessing loans and other financial benefits through the platform. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.